How to get Snap Score up on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to get Snap Score up on Snapchat. So let's begin. The very first option that I would suggest is to make sure first that your Snapchat app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your Snapchat app. Once you have done that, simply open your Snapchat app, and then what you're going to do that I can think of is to take a picture or um simply capture a snap on your Snapchat app, and then you may just type in the letter S right here, or um you may also um, input streak or any text that you want, or you just simply scribble as right here. So this trick is the thing that I've been using before when I was still using Snapchat. So once you input the letter S right here, what I would like you to do is to simply send this snap to anyone that you are friends with on Snapchat. So again, don't simply send it to only one person, but to a lot of your friends on Snapchat. So you may click on send to right here and then choose all or as many person as you can. So you may choose this one, and you may choose a person right here, and then let's say for example that you have sent um let's just send this one first. So example this one. And then again, when it comes, um, let's say for example, if you become bored and then you want to send another snap, you may do so. But again, capturing a snap, type in streak or score or whichever you want, or simply the scribble S, click on send to, and then you may choose the last snap option right here. So you don't um have to choose all of those people again and again. So you just simply click on last snap, and then all of the um, people that you have selected before will be selected automatically. And again, you may send it, and then you may check your Snapchat score, and then it will rise up to um, the highest level if you do it regularly or until you have reached the Snapchat score that you want. So that's it. That's how you can get Snap Score up on Snapchat. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.